Hello students, welcome back to SST class for class 7 social science. Today we are going to continue the same chapter of geography, lesson number 13, earth movements and changing landforms. As you all know, earlier we have already studied about the earth movements. Now when we talk about the earth movements, there are two earth movements, and these two earth movements are endogenic movement and exogenic movements. Now when we talk about endogenic movements, endogenic, as the name itself shows, endogenic movements are those movements which occur inside the earth, and exogenic which occurs outside the earth crust. When we talk about endogenic movements, these movements are slow movements and sudden movements. Now when we talk about the slow movement, due to slow movements, mountains, plains and plateaus are formed, or ocean beds are formed. But when we talk about sudden movements, earthquake, volcanoes, landslide, etc. occur. And in the earlier video, student, as we have already discussed about the earthquake. Now a quick recap. Now what is earthquake? When we talk about the earthquake is when the vibration or tremors happens in the earth. Now why this vibration or tremors, or we can say कंपन क्यों होता है जमीन में? What is the reason? Everything has a reason behind it. The cause, or we can say the cause of the earthquake is due to movement, or we can say when tectonic plates collide or rub against each other. Due to it movements, the earth vibrate or tremors occur. Now next sudden movement is volcanoes. Now when we talk about volcanoes, what is volcano? Volcano is a vent. Now what is the meaning of vent? Vent means opening in the earth crust through which molten material erupts suddenly. Again, a volcano is a vent, which means opening in the earth crust through which molten material इरप्ट सडनली. जो अर्थ के अंदर मोल्टन मटेरियल है वो इस वेंट के थ्रू बाहर निकल जाता है, उसे बोला जाता है volcano. Now what are the causes of volcano? Why these volcano happens? They are sudden, but what, there must be some reason. Now the reason of the volcano is again the same, when two tectonic plates collide and one tectonic plates move below or underneath the other tectonic plates. Due to these movements, volcano erupts. Now there is a diagram of a volcano here, students. Now this is the mantle. Now we have already learned about that there are three layers of the earth: crust, mantle and core. Crust is the topmost, mantle is the middle, and core is the innermost layer. Now when we talk about mantle, the middle layer, it is made up of semi-molten form. Now in this layer mantle there is a chamber, and the chamber is of magma chamber. Now this is crust. Now this lava, when there is a movement in the sudden movement in the tectonic plates or lithospheric plates, and this is due to the collision, when two plates collide, टकराती हैं आपस में, तो एक दूसरे के ऊपर नीचे मूव हो जाती हैं, स्लाइड हो जाती हैं, तो उससे वजह से जो मूवमेंट होती है अर्थ क्रस्ट में, देन लावा क्रैक्स डेवलप एंड थ्रू व्हिच लावा कम्स आउट. Now in this mantle there is a magma chamber, and this, suppose this is crust, then this is a opening vent. This portion is vent. Now what is vent? Vent is the opening through which this magma, we can say, come out, and this is the crater. Crater is the mouth of the volcano. This is crater. It is mouth of the volcano through which gases, ash and all other materials come out. Clear? This is lava, hot lava which flows out. It comes out from deep inside the earth through a vent. Vent is the opening, and this is mouth. The mouth of the volcano is called crater, and all lava flow down and comes out of the earth to the surface. Gases form, ash and many precious material also come out from the volcano. Now again, a volcano is a vent in the earth crust through which molten material erupts suddenly. Now, on the basis of the frequency of how volcano erupt, on the basis of their frequency, we can say there are three types of volcano. Now, what are these three types of volcanoes? Active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. Now, when we talk about the active volcano, now what is active volcano? They erupt frequently. The meaning of frequently, बहुत बार. They erupt frequently or have erupted in recent times. Either they have been erupted frequently, बहुत बार बार वहां पे volcano erupt होता है, volcano फूटता है, लावा निकलता है, और they have erupted in recent times, और अभी कुछ समय पहले ही उस माउंटेन में या उस जगह पे volcano erupt हुआ है. Now, example of active volcano are Mount Etna in Sicily, Mount Vesuvius in Italy, and Barren Island in India. These are the few examples of active volcano. What is active volcano? Those volcanoes which have erupted frequently or have erupted in recent times. Example, Mount Etna in Sicily, Mount Vesuvius in Italy, and Barren Island in India. Now, next is dormant volcano, or we can also say it sleeping volcano. When we talk about the dormant volcano, they have been known to erupt in historical times. Many years ago, or we can say a long back, they have been known to erupt in historical times and show signs of eruption in future are called dormant volcano. Dormant volcanoes are those volcanoes which have erupted a long time back, historical times we can say, and have signs of, वो लक्षण दिखाते हैं कि they can be erupt in future. वहां से लावा या volcano फूट सकता है फ्यूचर में, आगे कभी भी. एग्जाम्पल है माउंट फ्यूजी इन जापान एंड माउंट रेनियर इन USA. Now, next or third one is the extinct volcano. Now, as the name itself, we can call it extinct volcano or dead volcano. They have not erupted at all in historical times. वो कभी भी उन volcano erupt नहीं हुआ है historical time से, but have the features of volcano. जो features होते हैं volcanoes के, वो वहां है, उसे बोला जाता है extinct volcano, और we can also call them dead volcanoes. मरे हुए हैं, कोई भी they have not erupted at all in the historical long time back, but have the features of volcano. These are called extinct volcano or dead volcano. Example are Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania and Mount Warning in Australia. These are the few examples of extinct volcano. So today we have discussed about the volcano. What a volcano? Volcano is a vent. The meaning of vent is the opening. And where is the opening? In the earth crust through which molten material erupt suddenly. It is a sudden movement, and earlier, as I have told you, there are two movements, endogenic and exogenic movements. These volcanoes come under endogenic movements, and endogenic movements are also, they are too slow and sudden. When we talk about sudden movement, we talk about volcanoes. Now, there are three types of volcanoes: active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. Now, what are active volcano? They erupt frequently, बार बार इरप्शन होता है उसमें, और हैव इरप्टेड इन रिसेंट टाइम्स, या कुछ समय पहले ही वोल्केनो फूटा है या उस जगह पे. एग्जांपल माउंट एटना इन सिसिली, माउंट वेसुवियस इन इटली, एंड बैरन आइलैंड इन इंडिया. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एक्टिव वोल्केनो. नाउ second one is dormant volcano. When we talk about dormant volcano, they have been to erupt in historical times. Many years back they have been erupted and have signs, या उससे लक्षण शो करते हैं कि फ्यूचर में वो इरप्ट हो सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल माउंट फ्यूजी इन जापान and Mount Rainier in USA. Now the third one is the extinct volcano. They have not erupted long time ago or in historical times, but have features of volcano, or we can also call them extinct or dead volcano, one and the same thing. Example, Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania and Mount Warning in Australia. These are the few example of extinct volcano.